In this video, we're going to show you how to add a button to a custom module using the Divi Module Builder plugin available on diviplugins.com. If you're following along the price drop custom module that we've been creating, the Buy Now button is going to be the button that we're adding at the bottom of the module. If I go to my module, I'm going to add another field. We're going to call it product URL. For the identifier, we're going to call it product_URL. And for the description, enter the URL for the product. We're going to change the field type to a button. And for the default text, we're going to change that to Buy Now, which is an optional field. We could leave that blank if we wanted to. Below the default text, we have a button URL checkbox. Check this box if you want the button URL to be the permalink. If left unchecked, and URL input will be added to the module. So if you check this box, you could put the button inside of a WordPress loop, and the button URL would become the permalink for the current post in the loop. But in our example, in our module, we want the user to be able to change the URL for the button, so we're going to leave this unchecked. And then I'm also going to check the Advanced tab so that the button will become available in the Advanced tab CSS settings. Let's save our module. And now we have a product URL shortcut button, so I'm going to add that below the product description div. Let's update the module again, and we'll go to the page that we have the module on and refresh. Now let's open the module, and we should have product URL text. Buy Now is our default text. We have the option to open the URL in a new tab. I'm going to leave that blank. And below that, we have the option to enter the URL. So let's add Googlecom. Let's save and preview the changes. And now we have a button below our description, and the button design will be the default design for the Divi theme, whatever you have it set at. If we go back, we can edit the module, go to the Design tab, and the button is automatically added to the Design tab so that we can use custom styles for product URL, yes. And now we can change the color, change the background color, save and preview, and we should see these changes. And there's the changes. So that is how you add a button to a custom module. In the next video, we are going to show you how to add icons, and we're going to show you how to add repeat fields. So if you want to follow along with these videos, make sure you go to diviplugins.com and download the Divi Module Builder plugin. And we'll also have this module available for free. It's called the Price Drop module. Thank you for watching.